In the LCQ, and they were fast.
How does it work for the whole week we were out here doing it?
Well, a lot of people are either invited or qualified by racing another event like that one I was talking about.
Just like Endurocross.
Yeah,
and got a system for figuring out the excess guys.
Right.
How do they do that?
They have 20 spots for LCQ guys.
They got to do something one of the days.
Hey, what did I say, Jose?
What?
About that getting chewed up fast.
We're going to start taking the waterfall.
Before long, it's going to be faster to go to the waterfall. But so they have 20 spots for LCQ guys. And then, yeah, it's, huh? Oh, there you go. He's taking a different line.
One guy took that already.